As usual, we begin with the disinfecting of the nail. This also removes any shine, any oils that can cause lifting of the gel or nail tip. Here we're going to be demonstrating a freeform nail using UV gel, the clear and the white. Gently remove the shine with a white buffer or a light file, making sure not to damage the natural nail. We're preparing the nail for a free-form application using an acrylic nail form. Once again, using the primer at this part is optional. If you have someone that is prone to lifting or needs a little bit help in adhesion, you can go ahead and apply either an acid primer or a non-acid primer. Both will work with our UV gel system. We're preparing the white for the nail tip application of the free edge. When you open the white UV gel, you'll see that it has settled. It's important to go ahead and mix it really good so that the pigment gets mixed in and you have a pure white and not a translucent looking free edge for your nail. Using an acrylic nail form, you want to carefully place the nail form onto the nail, being careful to not leave a gap between the nail form and the actual nail tip of the natural nail. When beginning this type of UV gel application, you're going to start first with a clear UV gel on the entire natural nail as well as down the form to the length that you're looking for. This serves as a good base for your nail. Remember to always apply in thin layers. It's better to build up than to use thick layers in any single coat. Again, this is a self-leveling formula. So you're just guiding the gel towards the cuticle area, onto the sidewalls, and down onto the nail form to the desired length. You don't have to be too careful when you're applying the gel to the nail form, as the edges will be shaped after curing. Then you want to go ahead and cure the nail under the UV lamp for 3 minutes. Now we're ready for the French white application to create the free edge. We're using our white Perfectionist UV Gel. We simply place the UV gel towards the smile line, gently pushing up, creating that C curve. And you can have as deep of a smile line that you would like. That's the nice thing about creating your own nail. If your smile line doesn't come out exactly the way you want it, what you could do is clean the gel off, completely off the UV gel brush, and then go ahead and using your brush, adjust your smile line just right, but make sure you do it before you do any curing. At this point, it's still pliable and able to be formed. Then you want to go ahead and cure the nail for 3 minutes. Now the next step would be to remove the tacky layer and remove the nail form from the finger. First, with the UV gel cleanser, you're removing that tacky layer, then gently remove the form. And this is where you're going to go ahead and shape the nail before your final coat of UV gel. You can bring down the length, you can shape the sidewalls. Just a note about the removal of the UV gel. This is not a soak-off formula. To remove it, a quick way to do so is to, using acetone, remove the shine from the nail first. Then put a cotton ball with acetone on the nail and wrap it with the foil. One at a time, remove the foil. You'll see it's kind of tacky. Using a rough file, start removing layers gently before reaching the natural nail so no damage will occur. Once you shape the nail to your desire, you want to go ahead and buff away the shiny coat from the nail. You're preparing it for your final layer of a clear UV gel. Just using a white buffer. Making sure to get the free edge as well as the sidewalls and near the cuticle area. Here we're applying the final coat of clear UV gel. This is going to cover the entire nail from the cuticle down to the free edge. Again, just gently glide the gel into place. It is a self-leveling formula, allowing enough time to go ahead and self-level before curing. You'll have a nice smooth finish. The key to not needing to buff or shape the nail at all after the final UV gel application is the fact that it is a self-leveling formula. You just need to let it set for just a few seconds after gliding it into place with the brush prior to curing, because it will self-level to a flat, even surface. And then go ahead and do your final cure for 3 minutes. After you're done curing, you go ahead and use your UV gel remover to remove the tacky layer from the nail, leaving a high shine finish, and you're done.